Hello everyone! Today, I've got a quick tutorial for you on how to get an FPS counter in any game. But here's the catch. It works specifically if you have an NVIDIA graphics card. Let's dive right in. Start by searching for GeForce Experience in your search bar. If you don't have it, no worries, you can download it easily. Once you're in, click on Settings in the top right. Scroll down in the settings and click on Settings again. Now look for HUD layout and select Performance. Time to pick a corner for your FPS counter. I like it in the top left, but choose your preference. Click on the corner, then select FPS. You're almost there. Click Done to apply your settings. Exit out and you can close GeForce Experience. Now, when you launch your game, bam! There's your FPS counter, right in the top left. Easy, right? And that's a wrap, folks. If this video helped you out, drop a like, consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one. So, happy gaming! Thanks for tuning in and see you in the next tutorial.